What if every step you took forward was met with resistance? That's Emma's journey. Emma, a driven insurance professional, attended the Women in Insurance Summit 2024. Surrounded by industry leaders, she felt inspired and daunted by the stark realities of the glass ceiling. Emma learned that women hold only 8.2% of CEO positions in Fortune 500 companies and earn just 82 cents for every dollar earned by men. She saw firsthand the glass cliff phenomenon when a successful female CEO was replaced by a man after steering the company through a crisis. Overwhelmed by these statistics, Emma wondered if she could ever break through. But during a networking session, she met Lisa, an experienced mentor who had been in her shoes. Lisa encouraged Emma to pursue leadership training and advocate for herself. Emma took Lisa's advice to heart. She joined a leadership program, developed strategic thinking and emotional intelligence, and started networking actively. She found a sponsor who championed her career advancement, pushing her to take on challenging roles. Soon, Emma was promoted to a senior position, demonstrating her leadership abilities. She became a vocal advocate for gender equality, pushing for flexible work policies and equal pay. Emma used her position to mentor younger women, helping them navigate the corporate world. Emma's journey shows that with mentorship, networking, and sheer perseverance, breaking the glass ceiling is possible. It's not just about breaking barriers for yourself, but also paving the way for others. So, are you ready to break some barriers? The glass ceiling is an invisible barrier that prevents women and minorities from rising to the highest ranks in a corporate hierarchy, regardless of their qualifications or achievements. This phenomenon is often perpetuated by systemic biases, stereotypes, and organizational cultures that favor men. Why does the glass ceiling exist? It stems from deep-rooted societal norms and prejudices that undervalue the contributions of women and minorities. These biases manifest in various ways, such as unequal pay, lack of mentorship opportunities, and limited access to leadership roles. Breaking the glass ceiling requires a multifaceted approach. First, organizations must commit to diversity and inclusion by implementing policies that promote equal opportunities. This includes transparent hiring practices, equal pay for equal work, and support for work-life balance. Second, mentorship and sponsorship are crucial. Women and minorities need mentors who can provide guidance and sponsors who can advocate for their career advancement. Networking is also essential, as it helps build relationships and opens doors to new opportunities. Third, individuals must invest in their personal and professional development. This means seeking out leadership training, developing strategic thinking and emotional intelligence, and continuously expanding their skill set. Finally, it's important to create a supportive community. Women and minorities should support each other, share experiences, and work together to challenge the status quo. By doing so, they can create a ripple effect that paves the way for future generations. The journey to shatter the glass ceiling is challenging, but with determination,